This is the small size Nerf dog ball blaster. It's a lot of fun. First off, the Nerf tennis balls are squeaky. They're a blue color, so they're easy for the dogs to see in the grass with their kind of color vision. And all you do is you can kind of stick it in the front, or if I can get it out of there, you can also, because it's a little shorter, it's not the same as their long version. There's one that's about 4 inches longer that's a little easier to do this with. But if the ball is kind of gross from the dog slobbering all over it and you don't want to touch it, you can just grab it that way, like if a tennis ball collector would do. So now you just pull back on this thing, and you're going to pull back as much as you want, starting about there, and then you can go back a little bit further or all the way to the end. And depending on how far back you bring it is how far it's going to launch that tennis ball for you. Now, if for some reason you have it back like this and you don't want to launch it out of there, you can push this release and slowly let it go forward and even get the ball out of there again without launching it. But of course, let's launch it. We'll just bring it to there and shoot it into that wall there. So much fun. This will launch across your yard easy, but even at a dog park, when you bring this thing all the way back, it'll really launch them. The Nerf squeaky balls are a lot of fun, and they're a great color too. And it can hold one on board there. A lot of Nerf fun with the dogs. Hope this helps.